So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope being everyone staying at home and be safe because this whole COVID-19 situation is rapidly increasing day by day. So let's get back to the video, to the channel. So guys, today what we are doing, we were reviewing my two of the most beautiful Aston Martins. Yes, you heard right guys, these are the Aston Martins, and one is the Aston Martin DB5 from Hot Wheels, another one which we going to be unbox it, that is the Rmz City 2018 Aston Martin Vantage. So guys, let's get started with the video. I mean, you heard it right, these are the Aston Martins. You may have noticed the name of Aston Martin regarding the spy or the James Bond movies, and there's the new ones. So Aston Martin is quite a known name to everyone. So guys, let's get started the unbox the Rmz City Aston Martin 2018 Vantage. So here are the two Aston Martins guys. So let's get started this review. First of all, we're gonna start from the Aston Martin DB5, the 1963 model from the Hot Wheels, where it is. So guys, you may have heard of these Aston Martin. This is the most famous Aston Martin in the history from today. This is the most iconic classic Aston Martin, that is the DB5. And so in the review, we're gonna start from its front. So in the front guys, we can see its front mesh and headlight tempos, and over there is the Aston Martin logo, which is not the exact one embedded over there, but it's pretty. It's seriously pretty, a good touch by the Hot Wheels. And on the side guys, you see the alloy wheels, a side air intake trim over there. Here is the side air intake trim. We have door with the mirrors, and we can also check out its interior. It's not like the Siku or something major, it's the basic casting from the Hot Wheels. And on the back guys, you can see the backlight tempos over there of 3 different colors. You can now see there is orange, there is red, there is white, and at the back we can see the Aston Martin logo again, the DB5 badge, DB5 number plate, and a lot of chrome casting, but it's actually plastic over metal for the frame. And guys, over the top we got plain, and over the bottom we see the Aston Martin details by the Hot Wheels. Here is the Hot Wheel badge. It is written Aston Martin 1963 DB5, made in Malaysia. So guys, that's it. This is the fastest review of the Hot Wheels Aston Martin DB5 1963. So guys, let's start reviewing the another casting, that is the Aston Martin Vantage. So guys, in the review, first of all, you notice its color. Its color is damn good guys. In real life, that color also looks too good. That's the neon green over the black. That's seriously insane color. And if you continue to the review, we see at the front there is the Aston Martin logo embedded over there by the Rmz. That's good, better than Hot Wheels. And there is the front air intake, headlight tempos. On the sides we see the, and on this side we see the door handles in black, and the oil filling cap is in also black. At the back we see the real light tempos, they're very nice. And there is the back air intakes are there, they are triple air intakes, so you can see now. And if you move further to another side, they're the same as well. And on the top we see a carbon fiber top, and that has no interior guys because it's also a basic casting. So moving to down, you see nothing mentioned over here, just made in China, Rmz City, that's all. So guys, this is the Aston Martin Vantage from the Rmz City. So guys, this is the wrap for the video. I'll catch you in the next. Make sure you like the videos, subscribe the channel. Till then, bye bye everyone.